Getting permanent residency in Australia has never been easier with the 491 Queensland Small Business Visa. Good day, my name is Yossi Witkowski and I am an Australian immigration lawyer at the law firm of Stevens & Tozer. Whether you are onshore or offshore, at Stevens & Tozer, we can assist you with obtaining Australian permanent residency through skilled migration visas, such as the 491 Regional Visa, the 491 Regional Small Business Visa, the 190 State-Sponsored Visa, the 186 Sponsored Visa, or the Global Talent Visa Program. Today, and for the purpose of this video, I want to particularly talk to those of you who are currently in Australia on temporary visas and need a fast and easy pathway to obtain permanent residency in Australia. Now, we know that as a result of COVID, it can be difficult to obtain permanent residency in Australia. This can be due to a limited state occupational skills list, and compounding this issue is that some states are recommending a high number of points. But with the 491 Regional Queensland Small Business Visa, you won't need a high number of points to receive an invite for this visa. Also, your skill only needs to be on the Legislative Instrument 19-051, which has many occupations currently listed thereon, and does not need to be on the Queensland Skilled Occupational List. Some of the requirements for the 491 Regional Small Business Visa are: one, you need to be in Australia on a visa that allows you full-time work rights, that is 35 hours a week. You would be required to have an occupation on the Home Affairs Legislative Instrument 19-051, which I mentioned earlier. You would have to purchase a business for a minimum of $100,000 located in a regional area in Queensland. And a regional area can be, for example, the Gold Coast or the Sunshine Coast. The business that you purchase cannot be a startup or a home-based business. It needs to be at least 2 years in existence in regional Queensland. Unless it's a franchise, then it needs to be operating for at least 1 year prior to you purchasing the business. And then you need to be living and running the business in a regional area in Queensland for at least 6 months before lodging your application or your expression of interest. And lastly, you would have 100% ownership in the business. Partnerships or joint ventures are not eligible. Now, further to this, Home Affairs criteria requires you to have a minimum of 65 points, so that's not high points. You need to be under the age of 45 years, and you need to have a positive skills assessment in your nominated occupation, and then meet the minimum English requirements. If you become a client of ours for the 491 Regional Small Business, you will be at a distinct advantage because we are able to assist you not only with obtaining the necessary visa, but also with all the legal aspects involved in securing and purchasing an existing business in Queensland. You will not need to go to migration agents and then as well to lawyers, because we can do everything under one roof for you. Don't take chances with such a big investment and opportunity. If you think you may be eligible for this visa, or you want to simply discuss your opportunities for permanent residency pathway, then feel free to contact us for a confidential consultation. I thank you for listening to me.